So when I came to Hong Kong in 1965 as a trained teacher. When I came to Hong Kong first, football was very, very popular here. There were famous players in the old days. Many of the old timers remember them, like Chung Chi Doi and Chung Chi Wai, and lots of others too. And the boys had these heroes, and football was the number one sport. And I discovered that in LaSalle at that time, there were really only two sports that mattered. That was the football and the athletics. Of course, the athletics was the annual battle with DBS. And then Brother David was especially passionate about football. The school did have other sports, table tennis and some swimming, even fencing and so on, but they were very low profile. And they would take place and nobody would really know anything about them. But football was the most important. We were very fortunate that we had such a big school, and we had a big playing field at the back in the old school, the famous playing field. So they were able to play during PE and after school and at weekends as well.
其實咧，我哋嗰個足球場咧，雖然話係沙漠，但係兩邊嗰個邊欄咧係有啲草地嘅。咁我哋嗰陣時細個啦，咁有得踢就開心㗎啦。咁沙地有一個好處咧，佢就都唔會點積水啊。咁所以我哋咧其實就話做學生嘅時候咧，朝頭早返學未上堂就去踢波。跟住咧就有啲 recess 㗎啦，又去踢波。咁lunch break 咧又去踢波。放學3:30咧又去踢波。咁所以嗰陣時好墟冚㗎。我仲記得咧，放學之後踢波咧喺嗰個沙地足球場咧，大話都有6-7隊一齊踢㗎。大家知道射邊個㗎，大家知道邊個係隊友啊，邊個係敵人㗎啦，係啊。所以係好好玩嘅。
And when I say support the teams, boys wanted to play football, but in the 60s especially, most of them were very poor. They came from housing estates all around, Kowloon on the hill. Some of them were living in very poor conditions. We had to supply the football boots. We had to pay for the football shirts for them. We gave them transport money, to buy a drink and so on. And not many of them either had phones in those days, telephones, And I remember there might be one or two boys in the team that had a phone, and they would be living in an estate, and we would call them to go around and tell the other boys about coming to training or about a change of the football match or what time to turn up and so on, like that.
因為我 experience 過舊新 experience 過晒。舊場咧，頭先 Stephen 講到一樣嘢，係我哋喇沙嘅一個經典嘅，就係喺個龍門大沙地嘅綠碼點中間龍門口有一嚿大石 ，OK， 所以我哋個龍門好反應好叻嘅，個波一射埋嗰度嘅時候咧，彈到邊你唔知嘅 ，OK， 所以龍門就要即刻去反應去撲個波，好奇怪嘅，因為而家當然唔可能啦嚇，有乜理由中場有個球場中間你綠碼嗰度有一嚿石，好大嚿嘅，嚿石有咁大嚿嘅 ，OK。好多人亦都喺嗰度發生意外嘅，可能冚崩頭啊、冚穿頭啊、整傷腳啊，好多都有。咁嗰陣時，但係我哋慣嘅 ，OK 嗰陣時我哋唔當嗰嚿石嘢㗎 ，OK 因為成日都踢啊嘛，所以唔覺得有嘢嘅。
Here at LaSalle, we especially right from the very beginning of the founding of the school, we had good football teams. The overall title for the champion school in football was called the Morahan Shield, and we won that for the first time with Brother David in 1963, 2 years before I came, and we won that for the next 20-30 years, overall title. We were absolutely tops. But when you refer to the 70s, yes, we did try to do something special during the 70s. I think it was 1975. There was an Asian schools competition. Hong Kong was invited to send a school representative team, and I was asked to be the coach. So from that time we were selecting LaSalle boys to represent Hong Kong. And then a year or two later, the same competition was held in Singapore, and I was involved again. And again we had LaSalle boys on the team.
由1976年 Form 1開始，至到1983年，我 finish 呢個 Form 7，我都有代表校隊。咁亦都喺79年嘅時候咧，亦都有代表香港香港學界啦，同埋要代表香港16歲代表隊啦，就去新加坡啊、澳門啊幾個地方去代表香港比賽。咁亦都一個好 experience， 咁亦都學識咗好多嘢啦。咁所以翻到嚟之後，對校隊嘅幫助都好大。
Now that created a new thinking among them, you know, that I'm not just kind of representing my school anymore, but if I'm really top player, I could get on the Hong Kong team for school level, you know. Now we didn't do all that well when we went overseas. I won't tell you some of the results, but there was good spirit, and the boys had a very, very good experience, you know. Then around that time too, so that created the idea that maybe we could do some travelling.
呢個就係我哋嗰陣時去日本嘅時候咧，有個brochure，OK， 一個小冊子就係講我哋去日本嘅。咁我哋The South Football Team Tour of Japan 啦，咁我哋其實去咗幾個 city 嘅。我哋先去咗東京，跟住就坐子彈火車去咗Kyoto 同埋 Kobe， 大神戶同埋京都。跟住咧，我哋就再坐火車咧落去南部 Kagoshima 鹿兒島，而鹿兒島咧有一間LaSalle High School in Kagoshima， 係 one of the best high schools in Japan。好多人係直情喺不同日本地方係飛落去鹿兒島去讀呢間 high school 嘅，咁所以可以講得話日本呢間LaSalle High School 咧，同我哋香港LaSalle咧係一樣 one of the top。In the cities or in the country, OK， 去咗2個禮拜，10日到啦去咗。
So we began this thought of maybe of having an overseas trip, right? And this was in the mid-70s, just around the time that the whole Brother Raphael was beginning to plan for the new school, you know, that maybe we would be moving from the old school to the new school. And so I talked with the teachers and so on that maybe we could take this because we were doing very well. But the most important factor was there was a Japanese student youth team, or really they were primary school. They came to play LaSalle Primary. They were very good friends of Brother Henry. They came a number of times and so on. They played us once or twice here. Then they asked me one day, what about bringing a team to Japan? And we will pay for it. Well, when they said we will pay for it, what they meant was that there would be homestay in Japan, they would look after all our expenses, but we had to get our own transport, our own ticket to get there. And of course this was the challenge in the mid-70s. The boys, still the families, there were a few boys were well off, but most of them were not. They couldn't afford this. And already we had been talking with Lee Ka-sing and Chung Kong about this new school. So I got the idea, let me ask Lee Ka-sing to sponsor this. And he did. He paid the check for our transport. And we went to Japan in the first week of August in 1978. And I think the boys have already shared with you their experiences. They would remember it better than I do now. But it was very successful.
我哋第一晚我記得我哋係住 host family 嘅，我哋唔係住酒店，我哋好冇錢嘅，我哋唔係住酒店嘅，我哋第一晚係住 host family 喺人哋嗰度住嘅，咁就我同阿趙一個 host 嘅，我記得係，咁跟住就去到 Kobe 都係住啲 YMCA 啊，咁去到 Kagoshima 就係住LaSalle High School， 佢哋好幾好嘅，數數啊瞓榻榻米啊咁樣喺學校裏邊瞓嘅嗰陣時，我哋係。
In Tokyo, yes, we found that the teams we were playing were not very strong. In fact, we started with our A grade team against them, but in fact it was much too strong. So we put on the C grade boys, and they still won about 7-0 or something.
Okay.
But that changed very much when we played in Kobe, and especially when we played in Kagoshima in the brother schools. We lost.
Yes.
They were Japan teams were good, but we're talking here about the mid-70s now. Japan was not famous for football and so on, but Kagoshima was very strong.
嗰陣時我哋喺日本咧係兩隊波嘅，其實一隊叫 Senior Team，多數都係我哋嘅 A grade 嘅隊員，咁 B grade 嘅隊員咧就係 Junior Team。咁贏定輸咧就真係唔記得啦嗰陣時。咁但係我哋係 Junior Team 踢咗3場波，Senior Team 都係踢咗3場波。咁個 result 係咩？真係唔記得啦，太耐啦。咁就有贏有輸啦，唔係 one sided 嘅，因為日本同香港足球而家爭好遠啦，當然係。咁但係嗰陣時70年代78年啊，嗰陣時應該係78年，香港同日本嘅足球就差唔多嘅啫嗰陣時，所以大家係有得砌嘅。呢張係廣州，呢個咧我哋嗰陣時我 Form 5啊，啱啱會考之前一個禮拜啊，就係1981年嘅4月，5月會考，所以4月去嘅嗰陣時係。咁嗰陣時1981年其實國內未開放嘅。OK， 我哋去廣州係要坐火車去到羅湖，跟住就再行路過去深圳，由深圳再火車去廣州。嗰陣時去嘅原因呢 to be honest， 因為 Brother Thomas 好中意俾啲學生睇多啲嘢，而佢覺得你出去睇出邊嘅世界呢，比好過你香港操2年波好 ，which is true。所以佢就帶咗我哋去咗日本，去睇下外地人係點樣，人哋嘅國家個水平係點樣。咁當然我哋學到好多嘢啦，講真，亦都講真嗰次我嗰陣時我14歲，第一次坐飛機 ，OK， 好開心好興奮，因為唔使錢 ，OK， 嗰陣時坐飛機好貴嘅，78年嗰陣時，我唔知你係咪第一次坐飛機啊？我就係啦嗰次，咁就Brother 俾我哋好多機會去學嘢咯。
So the boys had this great interest in football, and I think the school itself did everything to give them the chance to play. They were prepared to make the sacrifice that where they find they had the talent and they were selected for the school team, they gave the time necessary to attend training and to do the best they can and looked after their health and looked after themselves. That's what I loved about so many of our boys.